Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bugs Coins and welcome back to a new video. This video, as you can possibly see, I have an envelope here that says sports coins on video 517. Today I'm going to be updating my sports album. The sports album was the album that when we first got it, it was the one that Change Checker did. And it asked the thing that we were asked to do is find out all the Olympic coins, including the completer medal for the Olympic coins. I've got some other coins that I've added to this, which included the Team GB Tokyo pin. And also there's a whole load of £2 coins on this page that I haven't yet done. So if I just take those up, the whole load of £2 coins on that page that I haven't yet done. So what we're going to do is we're going to find these coins and then have a look at them, and then I'm going to put them in the book and do another review of the book at the end. So if we tip these coins out, and there's an awful lot of them, there you go, look at all these coins. There's a few here that you won't have seen before, possibly if you're new to the hobby. The first one we have here, let's get this in. And this one is basketball. It has a dimpled effect on the background like a basketball has, and it has a player that is in the progress, and it shows you the progress of him going up to take the shot at the hoop. Very nice coin. And one of the ones, obviously these are all coins that I need for this album. The second one, this is the only Olympic that has actually been issued over 2 separate years. This is the athletics. It was a winning design in the Blue Peter competition to design an Olympic coin. Now, in doing that, they originally were made as a coin that wasn't released into circulation, and that was in 2009. And then in 2011, when all these Olympic coins came out, it became the athletics as one of the 29 coins that were produced for release into circulation. If you find a 2009 edition, because they were so lowly minted, you're onto a good one. Next one is Boccia. This is the first of the Paralympic coins that we have for this at this particular time. The difference being on the logos, one of them has the Olympic rings, the other one has the Paralympic logo instead. We'll do one more 50p before we do a couple of £2 coins. This one here is Go Ball. It's very similar to a couple of other coins and often gets confused for those other coins, but this is Go Ball. £2 coin. My first of my £2 coins is the Rio Handover. This shows the Olympic baton being passed between 2 different people. It was the coin that was brought out in 2012 to celebrate the closing of the UK ceremony and the handing of the responsibility for the Olympics over to Rio de Janeiro. Now, this was the very first sports coin that was produced. It is a sports coin with a thistle on it. It's a solid £2 coin. It is, of course, the Scottish Commonwealth Games. I believe these were the Glasgow Games in 1986. The back just has it's a solid £2 coin in brass coloured, and you have the thistle in the centre there, the year 1986 above it, and it looks like a laurel going round, which would indicate that it's a sporting event. The head is an IRB, is it? Well, it might be a Machin. The third £2 coin is also a solid coin, and this was the last of the solid coins that were produced of £2 value, and it is for the 1996 Euros. Are you ready for this, Grossy? You hate me. Olympic tennis. This is a coin that's caused Grossy all kinds of problems in his coin hunts. He's not been able to find it. Olympic tennis. Again, from the 2011 series. 1 of 29. The next 50p. I'm not sure if that's judo or wrestling. I think it looks like judo. Yeah, it's judo. This one and the wrestling one are quite similar in the way that they look. We have another £2 coin coming up, and that is the Beijing handover to London. It shows two hands under the Olympic flag. There are two £2 ones that left, two 50p ones that left, sorry. There you go. Triathlon. Again, one of the rarer ones. And the last 50p is the latest one. This is the Commonwealth Games. This is a bunk one, as it is not been released into circulation as of yet. There are rumours that it might do, but don't hold your breath. We've had we had this year, we had the Pride coin and we had the Queen's Jubilee coin at the beginning of the year. Both of, well, one has been released and one is due to be released. The date got put back on the Pride coin. Whether this one will go into circulation, I'm not 100% sure. It wouldn't surprise me if it didn't, but it's a shame if it doesn't. And the last three £2 coins that I've got, one is not an Olympic one at all. It is, of course, all Commonwealth. It's the FA Cup, the 150th year of the FA Cup. That was the last £2 coin to be released prior to the one that has just been released. This being recorded on the end of July. Of course, the one that's just been released is the Alexander Graham Bell, but we haven't yet. It hasn't quite reached us yet. And the penultimate coin, before I start putting them into the album, is the centenary of the Olympic Games being in London in 1908. So it's 1908. This one was issued in 2008, celebrating the 100th year of the Olympics in London. And the last one of the £2 is the first Biometonic £2, which was the Rugby World Cup in 1999. So let's get this stuff into the albums. Bring you right the way up. We don't have any £2 ones yet, so let's get going with those. At the top we've got the 2002, the 4 2002 ones. The first one we're going to put in is the 1999 World Cup. Second one is the Olympic Centenary. Oh, come on. The third one we have doesn't even have a placement thing yet, so we'll put that to one side. Let's just get these in date order, shall we? Above, that's a 1999. The 2008. That is also 2008, I believe. And then we have the Rio, which is the last one in there. We have the latest sports coin one, which is the FA Cup. And let's just put these two at the bottom for now, which are the 1996 and the 1986 Commonwealth Games. So now that is a full £2 coin. We have both of the single coin, or single metal coins. We have the FA Cup from this year, and then we have the 4 Olympic, the Rugby World Cup and the 3 Olympic coins, £2 coins. Okay, 50p non-Olympic. The one that we have there is a 2022 Commonwealth Games, so that goes in there. Right, onto the 50p's. We have the triathlon. Go and get in there. And we have the tennis. Oh. Okay, let's just take this one out of here to make it a little bit easier. We have the judo. We have the go ball. We have the boccia. These are a bit tight fit. There we go. We have the athletics. Oh, it's cooking quite easily. And then lastly, and by no means least, we have the basketball. So we now have a full set of Olympics, all 28 coins of them. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25, 29. There's 29 Olympic coins plus a computer coin, and you've got There's the first page, and there is the remainder plus the completer coin. So that is all the Olympic 50p's from 2011 now got. We have an ongoing collection of 50p's, including the last one over here. Last one over here, which is the Birmingham Commonwealth Games. Now the only ones that we're now missing are the 4 Commonwealth Games ones. Now I don't expect to get them anytime soon, but I will be looking at trying to find them cheaply so I can get them to put in the collection. Of course the pricey one is going to be the Northern Ireland one. These are just the place things, so if I wanted to do a second collection of this lot, I can do. So that is now complete, apart from the 4 £2 Commonwealth Games coins. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please